In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the basics of drawing a line. The line command is located on the Home tab of the ribbon in the Draw panel. Alternatively, you can type L, then press Enter at your keyboard. After selecting the line command, you'll notice that the crosshairs change a little bit. The command line is prompting me to select the first point. Anytime you're in the Specify Point mode, the box portion of the crosshairs disappear. Points can be specified in a few ways. You can simply click on screen, type in a coordinate value, or use object snaps to select an existing object. For now, we're simply going to look at clicking points on screen. While not necessarily accurate, just to get a feel for the line command, I'm going to select points on screen, and as you can see, every time I click, a new vertex is placed. As with most commands in AutoCAD, you can press Escape to cancel the command. Also, as with most commands, you can press the spacebar or Enter to repeat the last command. As I select points on screen, options will appear in the command line. These options appear in square brackets and also have capitalized letters. To apply an option, you can either select it in the command line or type in the capitalized letter, then press Enter at the keyboard. Choosing the Close option will close the shape and end the line command. Notice that it only appears after drawing multiple lines, making it possible to create a closed shape. Another option in the command line is the Undo option. The Undo option will undo the last segment drawn. So if I'm drawing several segments on screen and I make a mistake, I can simply click Undo in the command line and it will undo the last segment. As you can see, I can continue clicking the Undo option and it will simply undo the last segment each time. This Undo option is actually quite different from the normal Undo command on the Quick Access toolbar. The normal Undo command actually sees the entire set of lines as one command. So since I started the line command and I placed several segments, if I press Escape to cancel, then select the Undo command in the Quick Access toolbar, you can see that it undoes the entire series of segments. Once again, the Undo option of the line command will undo one segment at a time, while the overall Undo command may undo several segments at once. That concludes this look at the line command in AutoCAD.